Hi everyone, welcome back to Kri Juelz Life. If you're new here, I'm Christina. Yeah, on this channel, you know, I do a lot of things with Julian. He's not in this video because this is my video today, and I'm gonna show you all some new products I bought. And so the new product is MAC by Selena La Reina collection 2020. So I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, how I applied my eyeshadow, the lipstick, lip liner, and the highlighter. So I hope you enjoy this video. We're gonna go right in. So I'm just gonna start off with doing my you know, my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use Selena's eyeshadow palette. It's called Me Siento Muy Excited. And let's open this up. Isn't it so pretty? It's her little bustier, you know. Okay, so it's pretty. And so if you open up inside, you see the protector. It's her picture and then her name. My bad. Her name, and then you guys, I'm not a makeup artist, so don't judge me, okay? And then it has another sheet protector, and then it has 8 different eyeshadow colors. And for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go in with a nude because I don't know how to use these colors, to be honest. And so I'm gonna use these nudes, these 2 right here. On the palette, it doesn't have the name of them, but it does have the names on the back, but I don't know the order of it, so if you get this yourself, you can figure that out. So and then I'm gonna go in with this this shimmer. So let's get started. All right, so first I'm gonna do this, and my face is already done with, you know, foundation and all of that. So yeah, this color right here with my Jaclyn Hill. All right, ready guys? Guys, I don't have my glasses, so just mind your business if it's not in correctly, okay? All right, let me start. And those creaks you're hearing, that's my mom in the kitchen. She cooking, so it's pretty. I can see the color. I don't know. Can you? Can you see it, Julian? Julian's behind the camera, by the way. Say hi, Julian.
Hola.
Hola. Hola, me siento muy excited. Me siento muy...
Pero.
She didn't say that in the movie. Me siento muy... excited. Alright, so yeah. So I went in with that color. What do I do now? Do I go into the other eye? Guys, oh, I can't see. This one's worse. You hurt? You hurt? I don't see no difference. All right, so then I'm gonna go in with this brown one, like I said. And that's just gonna be like on the outer banks of it, my eye. And maybe just a little like right here. Yeah, so I love Selena ever since I was a little girl, you know. If anybody knows me, I'm obsessed with her.
Selena Gomez?
Don't disrespect me. And don't disrespect her.
What's the one? Selena Gomez?
Selena Quintanilla. Okay?
I bet.
Yeah, my Aunt Rosa, rest in peace, she showed me the movie and taught me about Selena at the age of probably like 10. And it was the bioepic with Jennifer Lopez. And ever since then, I listen to all her music. I have a lot of items that have to do with Selena Quintanilla, and like I have Barbie dolls and posters, this little cup thing, and I also have her first launch makeup too. Oh, it's looking nice actually. Look at like neutral colors. I like it. I'm gonna go in with the pink, not the pink shimmer. And this is, I'm just gonna place this like right here. Ooh, that's pretty. But I still don't know how to place this. I don't know, guys. Am I doing this right? Whatever. Maybe I put too much. I look like I'm in high school. All right, whatever. Moving on. Did you zoom in? Is it zoomed in? So right now, yeah. I don't know how to apply, to be honest, but I'm just gonna move along to my lips now using Selena Veil lip liner. It's coming off as like a hot pink color though. I can't do this. This is hard. Look at it. Alright, maybe once I put the lipstick, it'll, you know. How do people do this every day? Kudos to them. This is hard. Let me just like that. I look like a clown. Okay. This look like, I'm keeping it to myself. Okay, to be honest, I wanted to do the nude one, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do her iconic lip color. So this is her lipstick, and this one's called Queen of Cumbia. This is the lip color that stayed on her microphone on the last show or the last concert that she did. Horrible. How's it look, Julian?
Mucho. The end.
Get some shots. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this little highlighter, and it's called La Leyenda, and it's very pretty. So it's gonna have, you know, the same protector and everything, and then this is how it looks. And yeah, I'm just gonna use another Jaclyn Hill brush, and it's so pretty. Like, I don't even want to mess it up. Like, look at that, look at that, look at that. It's like it's a flower, a rose burst, you know, blooming. And I'm just gonna put that on my face right here, or whatever. This is a pretty highlighter. Like, you could see it, but it's a bit hard to see. Like, on camera, it's hard to see, but it's easy to see in person. I don't know how I feel about this lip color. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's like not my lip color, not my type of lip color, but it's pretty. I've seen it on other people. And then I'm going to do my mascara now. Maybe I'll give a little pop. Man, it's disgusting. I have to go back in and do it. Kudos to those who wear makeup, because it's talent. All right, and this is my look. Wow. Yeah. Alright, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. I hope you guys go buy some of the Selena items if you can get your hands on it. Don't get played and go on eBay and overbuy, because that's just ridiculous. I really want the bag, but it was sold out everywhere, and I'm not going on eBay just to, you know, buy it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.